Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to look at a brand new style from Villa. This is VILLANA Bahama Beige Shaded, which is 22, 26, 24. It's new from the Modix collection. This wig was provided by Wig Studio One. Have you seen this one yet? Let me show it to you. Alright, synthetic fiber, available in 10 colors, short curly style. Lots of curl here, lots of layers. Like I said, this is from Wig Studio One. Look in the drop down box below. There'll be a link for ordering. And if you need to have any questions about any wigs, just reach out to them at support@wigstudio1.com. All right, now, if you're familiar with Villa Daily or Veronica, those are similar to this style. I didn't have either one of those, or I would have made a comparison for you, but I don't have either one of those. So I just wanted to let you know those are comparable sister styles to this one. Now, this fit me really well. I did not make any adjustment. 21¼ inch head circumference, so I wanted to make sure you know that there is permatease in this wig. Absolutely permatease in this wig. Gives it all this volume. We'll look at the cap construction in a minute. It has a temple to temple lace front. Let me zoom in and show it to you. Okay, so here's the lace front. Of course, Villa does a beautiful job on their lace fronts. Coverage is good. There's my bow hair there and there. I just want to make sure you get a really good look at this lace front. You know, I like to style short wigs. I always have. And this one with the lace front, you can do that. You know, one of my favorite ways, and you've seen me do it a million times, I just pick up a little hair around the front. I like to really twist it. And I get one of these really tiny clips and clip it off. Just something different. But just because you have a short style doesn't mean you can't wear it different ways, for sure. Now, I added some water to mine and I pieced it out just like that. Let me just show you. I just have a little water and I run my hands through it. Now, like I said, there's definitely permatease here, so I could get this really big if I wanted to. But I wanted just to piece it out, show you all of these layers. And curl, of course. Now I'm going to take it out. I have mine behind my ears. Certainly don't have to wear it like that, but I just kind of wanted to show it to you how it looked, because that's how I would wear it. But you can definitely wear this all going forward. It's just a lot of curl here. Don't try to make this something that it is not. This is a curly wig. You're not going to get this straight. This is regular synthetic fiber. There's a lot of curl going on here. And so just so you realize that. I like that it has a little length on the top, so you can kind of separate that out. You could put it on with a headband, of course. You know, I'm always going to show it to you with a headband on. And it does have that temple to temple lace front, so you could really kind of spike this up on the top, wear that headband around, and that could be super cute too. Yeah. Easily done like that. You could put some sea salt spray in here, and also maybe, I have a little wig wax here. And I use that quite a lot. You know, you've seen me do that a million times. Now that just creates texture. It kind of dirties it up a little bit. You know how you have second day hair and that always looks better than when your hair is freshly washed? I feel like that's what this wig wax does. It kind of gives you second day hair. And don't put too much. You don't want to build up. Even though I haven't found that this built up on me too much, but I have heard people say that. But to me, I would just wear this behind my ears. But you do not have to, for sure. All right, so the specs of this. Now, there's a bang. You could wear this down in a bang. Down and across if you wanted. Absolutely, you could do that. Has that nice 3.75 inch bang. The crown on this is 5. The sides are 4. It also has the 4-inch nape, and it weighs 2.5 ounces, so it's lightweight. And again, you could just sweep this all over to the side, which is a cute look as well. Let's look at this inside of this cap. Like I said, it has a temple to temple lace front. And it has this mono crown, which gives you that lift right at the crown. Looks like it's grown out of your head there. It's open wefted, closed ear tabs with stays, extended felt nape, Velcro adjusters. There is some stretch in here. This will stretch up some. Like I said, I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and I did not have to do really any type of adjustment to this, but just like I said, it's throw on and go. Now, Bahama Beige Shaded. I have reviewed this color before. I think it's pretty. It's very, very dimensional. I mean, you can just see that looking here at all these different colors. It's a blended shade. It consists of medium blonde, neutral blonde, light ash blonde, all on this darker root. So it has all of these different shades of blonde blended together on a little darker root that really gives it, in my opinion, a lot of dimension. Really, really a pretty color. Make sure you get a good look at that. It's a nice throw on and go style. Thanks for stopping by and having a look at this new wig from Ellen Villa. Again, check the drop down box for ordering information. And don't forget, join us over in our private Facebook group, Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.